Hey guys, I'm Sure from Content Ford, and you all are welcome to very first episode of a new series of web development called Basics of HTML. So in this episodes or series of web development, we are going to discuss about HTML. So how it works and what is the fundamentals of HTML, how to make a real startup with HTML, the tags, and how to make a beautiful website at the end of this video, or the how a beautiful website is making by HTML code. Okay, so what is HTML code? I hope you understand it. If you're not, I'm going to discuss about it a little bit more right now. So in a word, HTML is a language which is used to make websites. So this is the single and simple word or sentence to understand the HTML. So HTML is a tag by itself. Whatever we are going to insert inside this HTML tag will be considered as a um, element of HTML or HTML code. So HTML has a bunch of tags. So we're going to cover only two um, tags in this video called headings and the paragraph. So these are really important for heading and paragraph. Heading is used to focus or focus title, and paragraph is for some descriptions or something else. So without talking too much, let's get started. And the very first, I'm going to show you example what we are going to cover in this video. So here I just made a uh, example here. So here you can see heading here. These six are headings. Okay, so uh, first one is bigger, second one is a bit smaller, and this is a bit smaller than before previous one. So this is how it's working, and at last here you can see a simple text which is used for a paragraph text. So now let's get started. So I'm going to use Atom in this video, and I'm going to use a new folder called new score projects. Okay, so I will use the shortcodes in this Atom, and this is a really um, great editor for coding HTMLs, and I'm going to use Amit for using shortcodes. You can use it, but I will suggest you to do not use shortcodes while coding, because you need to write so fast. So at the very beginning, you do not need to um, getting help from the shortcodes. You just need to write the code by yourself. So first, I'm going to use a new file. Sorry, not a new file. I'm going to open up a project or open a folder. Which I just created for new projects. Okay, so it append. I am closing the previous one, and here is a welcome dashboard. I'm going to delete them. So I will cover this video really fast. So first, I'm going to use a create a file called index.html, and here you go. So first I'm going to show you necessary structure of HTML. But first, this is as I told you before, that HTML is a code or a tag by itself. So the basic thing is that opening a code is simple. First a barricade, and then enter the code, and here is the code or tag to, and make sure this is really important to, after opening a tag, you just need to close this tag. And if you don't know how to close a tag, this is really simple. As we just open up a tag called HTML, we just need to close it by just doing this, and it's all done. Now the second thing is that we need to insert another tag called head, and we also need to uh, close the head tag also. So this is important. And what head tag used for? Like we will need some stat sheets and some CDNs to use for better performance in this website or the HTML code. So to link them, we need to head. We need head. So we will insert the links inside the head and some like JavaScript out external files to adding them inside this space will be used by the head. So here there is another tag or element called title, which is used for the head. So let us see title. I'm going to use the title here, like new project. So like I'm going to use the title. Sorry, title. Okay. So this will be considered as a title like this. Whatever we are going to insert in this title tag will be shown here. So that's it. And there's another important thing we are missing out, which is called body tag. We just need to uh, insert the body tag next under the next after the head tag, the body. And after opening up the body tag, we just need to close it again, the body tag. Here we go. So what is body tag? Body tag is the tag where we are going to insert our images, our files, and our whole design structure of the HTML graphics code, whatever. What is going to a user see will be designed into this or structured into this body tag, like headings, paragraphs, images, rows, columns, buttons, links. Uh, Pretty much everything will be inside this body, and this will be shown to the uh, viewers and the users. Okay, so this is not a perfect or professional way to structure HTML. I just make a startup to how to open and to close the tags and what's the important tags to start up HTML. So let's start off with a code here. I'm going to use the latest version of HTML, which is here. You can see the all things here. HTML, open, out, and head, title, and some meta. And here's the body. So now I'm going to use, since the title, new project. We go here. Now we are going to copy this thing. We are going to make the same thing like this one had. Okay. So let's open up our atom, and I'm going to use a tag called heading. So first, there is a tag called heading inside the HTML, which is indicating the H. So it has 6 type of headings from H1 to H6. So we need to open up the heading same time as we used to here. That's how. So I'm going to use the shortcuts. So I don't need to use it, but you should have coded by your hand. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to make this video shorter, so I'm using the shortcuts and A6. That's it. So whatever we're going to insert inside this brackets between this opening and closing tags of these headings will be considered as the heading of the web page. So I'm going to select the same text, and I'm going to select insert the same thing inside all of them, and that's it. So I'm going to sorry, not this one, new projects, and I'm going to open it up. Here we go. We got the first 6 heading tag. You can see here, and I already told you the difference between them and why they are used to. So to giving you a real world example, this is the way of heading. Let's give you content4.com. This is our official website, and you go here. this is the heading and this is the text, and this is might be H2 or is something like that. Okay, this is the H1 or H2 headings are used for. Okay, this is the H6, the last one. This is really smaller. Okay, so now then we are talking about the paragraph tag. So to creating and opening up the paragraph tag is simple like was before. So we need to use this video is on HTML tags um, called heading and um, P. Okay, P for paragraph. I just forgot about it. So um, I'm going to close the P. Sorry, that's it. So after saving it, if we are reloading it, you can see there is a paragraph. Okay, it's different from this because we just remove the change that context. Okay, content here. So this is pretty much thing in this video. This is what I'm trying to show you about the heading and the text, and you learned the real startup of HTML now, and this is the pretty much thing about. I just told you everything I know about the heading and the text, or the heading and the paragraph right now. In the upcoming episodes, I will discuss about the paragraph bit further on the text. Although I will use the text and other elements that we can use inside the text, okay, to divide them to specifically change thing or like that, everything, whatever we can do with the text, we will show them or teach you one by one, step by step. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make a like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye. See you later.